Hey you guys, so today's video is going to be a PR unboxing here on my channel. I asked you guys a few days ago on Instagram and on Snapchat if you guys wanted to see a PR haul, and I got a ton of requests to do one. So that is what we're going to do. Before we get jumping into this video, make sure to subscribe. That way you guys are part of my family. And otherwise than that, let's just get diving into this because I'm excited. I don't know about you guys, but I have no idea what's in some of these boxes and I'm getting an itch. So let's do this. So the very first box we have here is from Influenster. I do every so often do reviews for Influenster. It's not often, but sometimes I do. And when I do, it's always a really good surprise. But I really like Influencer just because you don't have to be a vlogger. You don't have to have like a huge Instagram following. Anybody can do it as long as you're willing to review the product. So this was very unexpected though, because like I said, I hardly ever do anything with Influencer, but they sent me this really sweet goodie bag just filled with a bunch of like random stuff in here. So the very first one we have in here, which I've never tried before and I was actually really excited, is the Tarte Guard number 30, which is an SPF, I assume. And then they sent me a couple of like the Batiste dry shampoos, which is amazing because I literally just ran out yesterday, so thank you, Influencer. And then, you know, they sent me a couple other little goodies here, but the one I was actually really impressed with that they sent was this called CEO Rapid Flash Brightening Serum, and I don't know, it just looks really interesting. It's supposed to fight the look of dullness, dark spots, and discolorations at the source while diminishing the signs of aging. I'm definitely willing to try this out and see. I don't know, have you guys tried this? Let me know your thoughts on this. But so the next couple of things that were sent to me were from Profusion. But this one here is the Profusion Mix Metals Eyes and Lips. So as you guys can see, it's going to come with a lip gloss, some brushes, and then this little eyeshadow palette. And then once you lift it, it comes with a nice set of 9 neutral colors. I am new to the Profusion line, but so far I've really been enjoying it. Some of their other things they have are really good too. They also sent over the Profusion Highlight Makeup Case. There are some pretty cool colors in here. I like this tempting. It's almost like a, I don't know, like a taupe-ish color. I don't know. It's kind of different. I like it though. And then they also sent over their Profusion 6-color blush palette. You guys know my love and obsession with blush palettes here. Here are the 6 blushes. Really pretty colors, super spring and summer appropriate, not too bright. I think the brightest one is this like bright juicy. I love these colors, these are really pretty. The next item I got is from Kiss Professional. You guys know Kiss, right? So they sent over this really pretty little box, and they sent over the Kiss Pro Touch Makeup Setting Spray. I have not tried any of their makeup, so this is all very, very new to me. But let's just take a look and see what they got. They sent over this really cute little care package, and we've got a Halo strobing cream in here, the contour kit. They put in some eyeshadows. These are really big eyeshadows. Do you guys see this? These are huge. But they sent over a couple of shadows. Oh no, 2 of mine broke. Oh shoot, darn. So I'm very excited to see how it all plays out for me. So the next box is from Too Faced. You guys, I'm so excited for this box. I actually haven't looked, so I don't know what's inside of it, but I'm excited. I'm excited. So let's see what they got. Oh, how adorable. Oh, let's pop this open. Okay. So here is their packaging for the Too Faced White Peach. So here is the inside of the box, and it comes with a 24-hour shadow insurance and then a full-size Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I'm going to tell you this right now. I'm looking at this and there is shadow everywhere. I'm so scared. Please don't tell me it's broken. Oh no. It's broken. Oh, it's so pretty though. But yeah, so I think what I'm going to do is, because I own quite a few of these, I'm definitely not going to give this away because it's broken and I feel bad. I wouldn't want to give you guys something broken. Maybe I'll give it to like my sister or something. I don't know, because I already own one. I don't know what to do. I mean, I could fix it. Look at the box. Like, the box is so stinking cute. Oh, it's so adorable. Thank you, Too Faced. So the next thing I'm super excited about, you guys, I had no idea this was coming, by the way. I got a package like last weekend and I opened it up and sure enough, it was from Dominique Cosmetics. You guys, I'm so excited to play around with this. You have no idea. So this here is her latte palette. I have heard nothing but amazing reviews about this palette. So this is the inside of the palette. I don't know if you guys have this palette. If you guys do, please let me know your thoughts on it. If you guys want to see a look using this palette, I'll definitely do one. I do know that her line is going to be carried by Ulta, which we did talk about in our makeup news here recently, which I'm very excited about. And I do know that she's coming out with, is it called the Lemonade palette? I think she's coming out with the Lemonade palette too. So anyways, thank you so much, Dominique Cosmetics, for sending this to me. I'm very excited to play with this. If you guys want to see a look using this palette, I can definitely do one. I'm excited to play with it. That's all. Okay, so this here is from Bare Minerals. Okay, so the very first layer says it's called the Bare Pro Skin Improving Longwear. Here is their new 16-hour full coverage concealer. Then they sent over their Performance Wear Liquid, and this is with the SPF of 20. Then the third layer is their Performance Wear Powder Foundation. Okay, so I actually already own this one. This one here is not new, but I did mention this because I already own it, which is what I'm wearing today, actually. It's my favorite. They sent me the shade Pecan 18 and then Toffee 19, and Pecan 18, for those of you guys who are wondering, is my exact shade right now. One of my favorite formulas right now, honestly. It's really, really good. I really love it. And you know what? It's been on since like 6 a.m. and it's, what, almost 1 o'clock and nothing. Bare Minerals, it's got like a little bit of a nostalgia for me because Bare Minerals was like the brand that my mom used to go to. Like I remember when they first came out, Mom and me got it on QVC, and she got me the stuff that you swap and then buff. Remember that? Yeah. Okay. That's what it reminds me. So to see them like do all this stuff is really cool. I even have all of their loose shadows, you guys. So the next PR package is from Sleek Makeup. I've tried a few of their things, but not a whole lot, so I'm really excited. So the very first thing they sent over was their cream contour kit, and this one is in medium. So they also sent over some blushes. The very first one that they sent over is their Blush by 3 palette, which looks like this. Got a couple of really nice, pretty shades. And then they sent over this one, which I'm actually like, when I saw this, I was like, wow, this is gorgeous. This here is in the shade Coral. This particular blush color is very reminiscent of another blush that I'm in love with. The colors are just very similar, so I'm very excited about this because my other blush I'm almost out of, so this is definitely going to come in handy. And then they did send over some of these, which are their Eye Art Precision Liquid Eye Color. And then they sent over these 2 major matte liquid lipsticks. These here are in the shade of Velvet Slipper and Fired Up. So these here are your 2 shades. So this one here is like your berry color, which is called Velvet Slipper. So yeah, very cool. I like it. And then we got 2 boxes from Benefit. So the very first box we got from Benefit is their Summer Camp Edition, and it's called The Search Is On. Some of the stuff in here I already have doubles of, so I'm definitely going to put in a giveaway bin. But if you guys have not tried, one of my favorite current loves is their 24-hour brow setter. I just absolutely love that stuff. I think it works amazing. So anyways, that is what we got there. And then they sent over one more box, their Perfect Mascara for Every Lash, and they ended up putting in here all 3 of their mascaras, and they put in here that their Real Mascara, their Roller Lash, and then their Bad Gal Bang. I don't know about you guys, but my favorite mascara right now of all 3 of these has got to be the Bad Girl Bang. If you guys have not tried it, I definitely would recommend you guys trying it. Thank you, Benefit, so much. I'm definitely excited about this. Now I've got my stock up on mascaras. So last week we talked about this product, and after I filmed it, I literally got it in the mail. But if you guys remember last week, we talked about one of the new items that was coming out from The Balm. But these here are the new Ferocious Eyebrow Pencils from The Balm. They're going to retail for $13, which I thought was an amazing price. So they're going to come in 3 shades. They're going to come in blonde, light brown, and dark brown. And as you guys can see, the pencil is very reminiscent of like the Anastasia one and the micro brow. I have played around with the dark brown because that's the shade that matches me, and I will say that I really do like it. You guys are going to see a video here probably after this one, and it's a tutorial, but you guys will see my first impressions on it. I was really, really impressed, and it holds up really well. So the next box we have here, which I'm so excited to show you guys, is from Avon. You guys, do you guys remember Avon like just brings me back. Anyways, this is their new, oh my god, the packaging is just amazing. Isn't it beautiful? This here is their new like contour and highlighting collection. But this is their entire set. So they sent me over 3 of their contour and highlight sticks, and then these 2 are powder highlighters, and then these 2 down here are their cream bases. So I definitely want to swatch this with you guys because I have played around with these already and I really, really like them. Okay, so let's swatch these sticks really quick because I definitely want to check these out and see what they look like. This one is called Rose Gold. You guys see that? It's beautiful. And then the bottom one is called Champagne. Oh yeah, you guys see that? So this one here is Rose Gold, and then this bottom one is Champagne. And that's only like 2 swatches, you guys. So the next 2 we have are their actual like powder highlights. So this one here is called Quartz, and it's more of your pinky tone, which I think would go perfect with the champagne color. And then this one here is called Topaz. I've played around with this one already, and I actually wore it as a highlight. And let me swatch it for you guys so you guys can see. Very soft, really easy, but not only that, definitely not like super intense as a highlight. Like you can definitely build this highlight up, I noticed, but when I was playing around with it, it's more subtle. And then they sent over 3 of their highlight and contour sticks, light, medium, and then they have deep. And I did use these already. I used these in Instagram posts, and I used these also in a couple of tutorials already, and I really do like them. I can't get over the packaging on this, you guys. It's gorgeous. So the next package we have is from a company called Glow Recipe. I've never heard of this brand, but I'm very excited to try it because they were saying that their new Pink Juice Moisturizer is new, obviously. But not only that, but they have like a bestseller, and it's called their Watermelon Glow Sleep Mask, you guys. Oh my gosh, this is fancy. This is too fancy for me. Oh my god. Really? Yeah. Jason, smell this. What does it smell like? What does it smell like, buddy?
It smells like cotton candy.
Cotton candy? What if you smelt it again? Does it smell like watermelon?
Yeah, me too.
Mmm. It doesn't taste like it though. And then they sent me over their Watermelon Glow Juice Moisturizer. Can we talk about this bottle packaging? Like, holy moly. Glow, you are like right on top of it with packaging. And it's glass. It's all glass, you guys. This is not plastic. And so this one is their moisturizer, and this is for oily to combo skin. And it's supposed to perfect the skin with lush, juicy hydration for long-lasting, lit from within, watery glow. Definitely gonna leave your skin dewy, which I'm good with, but it's not super thick either. So just an FYI, it's not thick. Oh, I can't get over this package, this freaking packaging, you guys. All right, so the next thing I got in here from Urban Decay, I'm so excited. I'm so excited because I literally almost was gonna buy this. This here is their Urban Decay Back Talk Face and Eye Palette. Did we mention this in my video, you guys? I thought we talked about it. Anyways, one side is like a highlighting palette, and then the other side is an eyeshadow palette, right? Yeah. No? Am I wrong? No, I'm right. It comes with 4 blushes, well, 3 blushes, and then this one called Party Foul you can use mostly as like a highlighter, and it comes with a mirror. And then this one here is their eyeshadow palette. Look at these eyeshadows. These are so pretty. So the first one we have is called Bear. We have Curve here. Then we have Back Talk. Oh, there we go. Then we have Shade. Ooh. And this is 180. Wow. Okay, so definitely very soft pink colors, which expresses why the palette is the way that it looks. Oh my gosh, it comes out. Oh, that's awesome. Not that I want it to come out, but... Oh, it's magnetic. Mother. That's awesome. I would probably just use this alone, especially to do my brows. Like, this is something I'm definitely going to use for my brows. But you just pop that right in there. I love it. And then they threw in 5 of their 24/7 gel pencils. And these, you guys, are some of my favorites. One of them in here is called Alkaline, which I already own. And it's the one I use all the time. It's like this deep burgundy gel pencil, and I love to use it in the waterline. It's amazing. So thank you so much, Urban Decay. I'm so excited about this palette, you guys. Look at this packaging, you guys. Like, holy shit. I've actually seen people do swatches already on this. They are their new glosses. How do I open this? So these here are the Hi-Fi Shine Ultra Cushion Lip Glosses. And these are going to retail for $20. And you're going to be able to find these at any place that you can find Urban Decay. So like Sephora, Macy's, Ulta, the impulse stores inside Macy's, and then obviously their website. And I'm so excited to try these out, you guys. So this one right here is called SPL. And this one is, let's swatch it right here. This one reminds me so much of this lip gloss I used to have as a kid called, I don't remember what it's called, but it was by Hard Candy. Look at this bright ass pink, you guys. I love the packaging on this actually. Let's just do it right here. Oh my god. That there finishes off this PR unboxing. Let me know if there's anything you guys want me to do like a look on, maybe using certain products, or if you guys want me to do like a swatch and review on something, let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you guys like this video. Also, make sure to subscribe down below before you guys head out. That way you guys can be a part of my family. Thank you so much for watching as always, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.